You have been working hard all day and you're probably exhausted by the end of it. All you want to do is rest and restore your energy. You relax and sink into bed and it feels amazing. You slowly drift off into the different stages of sleep and start dreaming. Dreams can be strange, puzzling, blissful, and entertaining. Dreaming is a universal phenomena, but no one truly understands the purpose it serves. Here are 10 interesting facts about dreaming. Number 1. Your mind is more active when you're asleep than when you're awake. Sleep is assumed to give us some peace and quiet, and our brain the opportunity to rest and recover from the day's activities. However, our brain is more active when we're asleep than when we're awake. When we're dreaming, our brain activity shoots up and our entire brain is active. The cortex, which is responsible for the content of our dreams like monsters or flying, is highly active when we're dreaming. Number 2. You can only dream about the faces you have seen in real life. The mind cannot invent faces. The faces we see in our dreams are the ones we have actually seen in our waking hours, even though we may not know them or remember them. Our mind has an endless supply of faces we see throughout our lives that we utilize when we are dreaming. Number 3. You will forget 50% of your dreams within 5 minutes of waking up. Scientists say this is because of lack of the neurochemical norepinephrine, which helps us to remember things. This neurochemical secretion is absent during REM sleep, which is a phase of sleep characterized by rapid eye movement and dreaming. Another perspective states that remembering dreams can clutter the brain and would therefore defeat the primary goal of dreaming, which is to clear out unnecessary memory connections. Keeping a dream journal will help you remember your dreams better. Number 4. Your body becomes paralyzed when you are dreaming. During REM sleep, when we are dreaming, our eyes move continuously, but our body muscles cannot move. Two neurotransmitters, GABA and glycine, are thought to be responsible for switching off the area of the brain that makes our muscles active. This is so that we cannot act out our dreams and potentially hurt ourselves. Number 5. Some dreams are universal. Around 60 to 75% of the population experience recurring dreams, and they occur more frequently in women than in men. The most common themes are being chased, being late, being stuck, failing a test, falling, or losing control of a car. These dreams usually have negative content and are related to poor psychological well-being. It is therefore assumed that they represent stress or some unresolved conflict in a person's life. Number 6. Blind people dream in images too. It was previously assumed that blind people cannot dream visually, which means that they cannot dream in images. But recent research suggests that blind people, whether blind from birth or otherwise, can in fact experience visual images when they dream, although they have less visual imagery in their dreams than people who are not blind. They dream less about success or failure or aggressive interactions and more about animals like service dogs and eating food. Number 7. Negative dreams are more common than positive ones. This may be due to a negativity bias or the notion that we pay more attention towards events that are negative in nature or create negative emotions. Experiences of threatening events such as being lost or falling are more severe and frequent in dreams than in real life. One of the major causes of this is stress. People with a better peace of mind are better able to regulate their emotions both while they're awake and while they're dreaming. A few examples of happy dreams are playing with pets, going on adventures, having a romance, or gaining extraordinary powers. Number 8. You cannot read or tell time in your dreams. If you are ever uncertain about whether you are dreaming or not, try reading something or telling the time. Scientists believe that it is nearly impossible to read, write, or tell the time when you are dreaming. This is because the areas of the brain that are responsible for interpreting language are off duty when we are dreaming, and thus putting together a coherent sentence becomes more difficult. Number 9. Sleep talking isn't polite. Research shows that sleep talk is full of negative and swear words directed towards another person. The most common word spoken during sleep is no, and almost 10% of speaking episodes contain swear words. It is more common in men than women, and they usually occur when you're dreaming about something stressful like a fight with a spouse or a stressful situation at work. Number 10. You can learn to control your dreams. This is called lucid dreaming, and it refers to a phenomena where we are conscious that we are in a dream. Almost 55% of people have had one or more lucid dream in their lifetime. There is a growing number of people who practice lucid dreaming, where they control their dreams and do things like fly, walk through walls, and go on adventures. There are various techniques like reality testing and setting intentions to remember that you are dreaming that can aid in lucid dreaming. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with others and subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching.